So in problem 6 here, we have a multiple choice quiz with 5 questions. Each question has 5 answers. You guess completely random on each question, and all answers are independent of the others. Find the probability you guess exactly 2 right on the quiz. So one of the things we have to do is we have to make sure we understand what our P probability of success is. So here, X is binomial N comma P, which is going to be N is 5 and P is 1 correct one out of 5 equal to 0.2. Okay. So if we wanted to find the probability X is exactly 2, that's going to be binomial PDF. Okay, so it's PDF because the point is exactly equal to 2. And here we're going to put N, which is 5, our probability of success 0.20, and our number of success is 2. We plug that into our calculator. We do second bars. Go down to normal PDF. Okay, so we have 5 trials, probability of success 0.2, and our X value is 2. We go ahead and paste that in, calculate. It should be about 0.20, 2 decimals. Oops. .20. In problem 7 now, we want to find a probability to get at least 3 wrong. So notice that our P changes in the context of this problem. In the previous problem, it was a probability of success was getting it right, which is 1 out of 4. But here now the probability of success is going to be 4 wrong out of 5. So that's going to be 4 over 5 or 0.8. So X is binomial distributed with 5 and 0.80 is now the probability of success, which is going to equal, well, again, this 0.8 came from 4 out of 5 wrong. So the next thing we got to notice here is that this is the probability of X greater or equal to 3. Well, we can only put less than or equal in our calculator. First thing we have to do is switch this around. To switch it around, we use the complement. So this is going to be equal to 1 minus the probability that X is less than 3. But we need less than or equal to 3, so we have to again adjust this so it's X less than or equal to 2. And then we can go ahead and put this in our calculator as binomial, 1 minus binomial CDF 5.802, which, let's see, second bars, let's clear that out. Second bars, binomial CDF, 5 trials, probability of success 0.8, and value 2. Paste that in. We're going to do 1 minus that. Uh-oh. All right, let me just do it again. 1 minus second bars, binomial CDF, 5 trials, 0.82. So we're going to have to paste. We get 0.94. Okay, hope that helps.